Welcome back to day 11. And this is where tracking really matters. And some people, they overlook at this. And so, welcome to the eye opening discussion about the fundamental principles of success. You cannot grow what you do not measure. This simple truth is powerful to transform your business and your personal life. Yet, it's often overlooked in our rush to achieve quick results. Think about this. Would you lose weight without ever stepping on a scale? Or attempt to save money without ever checking your bank account? Of course not. Yet many of us try to grow our business and achieve our goals without tracking our progress. So we're essentially trying to reach a destination without a map or a compass and hoping that we're moving in the right direction. In today's digital age, it's easy to get distracted by what we call the vanity metrics, like follows and likes. While the numbers might take us to those feel good moments that rarely translate into real business growth, they're like those sugar rushes that really, truly, it doesn't matter because it doesn't convert. They're just providing that quick high, but not the lasting value. The metrics that truly matters are leads, conversions, and customers. They are the numbers that are directly impacting your bottom line and indicate your real progress. So let's break down these crucial metrics for you. The leads are individuals who show general interest in your offerings, perhaps by joining your email list or requesting information about your services. Conversions occur whenever leads make meaningful action, such as booking a consultation or signing up for a program. Customers are those who made the ultimate commitment by investing into your products or services. They are numbers that deserve your attention and regular monitoring. When you start tracking these meaningful metrics, your transition from guessing to knowing, you can identify which strategies are working and which aren't, allowing you to make informed decisions about where you need to focus your energy and your resources. The clarity often reveals surprising insights. Sometimes the quieter, value driven content outperforms the flashy viral post in terms of actual business results. The good news is that tracking these metrics doesn't require complex systems or expensive tools. Start with simple spreadsheets to log into your leads, your conversions, and your customers, and I'll teach you exactly how to do all that. Make it a weekly habit to review these numbers and look for patterns. Which activities are generating the most leads? What type of content is driving your conversions? And understand these patterns are allowing you to replicate success and eliminate ineffective strategies. Remember, your goal isn't to be obsessed over numbers, but it's to use them as a compass, guiding your growth. Start where you are, even if your numbers seem small. What matters is establishing a habit of measuring what's important and using the data to make better decisions. When you focus on tracking meaningful metrics rather than the vanity numbers, you're going to find the more strategic choices and achieving more sustainable growth. Your journey to success begins knowing where you stand and measuring your progress along the way. Don't let another day pass without tracking what truly matters in your business. The clarity that you gain will give you the confidence to make bold moves and the wisdoms to know which direction to take. I just want to share with you, friends. Yesterday, I received an email from my YouTube matrix. It's amazing. It was like day 15 through day 21. So they gave me what videos were working. They gave me what platforms were searching me. They gave me different things so that I know how I can go and advance more into those strategic areas to be more helpful to the people that are looking at my content in those areas. So that's what it's all about, tracking what matters. And I also have my links below that you can follow me on any of my social media platforms, and be sure and hit that button and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue on your 90-day journey with me. Tomorrow's day 12. I will see you tomorrow.